Good morning to all distinguished board of directors. I'm Anusha and this is my fellow consultants from B6. Today we are going to focus on Hyderabad's business operation lies in the manufacturing of garment for prominent international brands like Hugo Boss in overseas market. The concept we are presenting today primarily centers around established brands within our target market. The concept evolves around recycling of PET bottles, converting them into polyester fabric to create sustainable end product for target customers. To learn about macro environment, we have conducted pestle analysis. Through this, we have come up with SWOT analysis, which will be explained by Vishnu. Through the Porter's five forces analysis, we have come to a conclusion that threat to new entrants is low because of high capital requirement, and threat of substitute is in moderate level because of unique properties of PET fabrics. The supplier's bargaining power is in moderate level because of the strong relationship with the supplier and multiple suppliers availability. The bargaining power of the buyer is low because of brand loyalty and uniqueness of the product. The competitive rivalry is in moderate level because of the presence of multiple competitors available in the market. Next, which we will explain about microanalysis.
Thank you, Anusha. For the microanalysis, we have done the SWOT analysis and also find out key competencies of your organization. Considering the SWOT analysis as strengths, Hydromoney has a strong brand reputation in the apparel industry. Then the proposed product is eco-friendly and sustainable, as Hydromoney has shares in Eco Spindles, PET recycling company. It will be easy to get desired material, and having vertically integrated business model is also a good point. Weaknesses are the high initial investment, technical challenges to recycle waste PET to yarns, and limited supply of waste PET. As opportunities, there is a high demand for sustainable textile. Potential partnerships are available and can be find out new markets. Threats come from other competitors, economic downturn, and the price fluctuation of waste PET. Then, as key competencies, we have found out the expertise in textile manufacturing, commitment to sustainability, strong brand reputation, and knowledge of the waste PET industry. Then, Tisuru may continue the next.
So moving on to our marketing objectives, it represents our commitment to a more sustainable and responsible future. Our primary goal is to achieve a remarkable 20% growth in sales for garments made from recycled PET materials within our targeted market. It's not just about boosting sales, it's about adopting to a lifestyle that has an environmental perception. So if you are considering the environmental impact, you can determine to achieve a minimum 25% reduction in carbon emission by 2025. This commitment goes beyond your profit margins and being stewards of the environment and fostering a collective responsibility towards our planet. Also, this business concept pushed the boundaries of innovation in textile production as well. So another objective is to enhance the properties of the recycled PET bottle yarn, because there's a slight deviation in properties including color absorbency, color level, and fabric strength between 100% recycled polyester fabric and 100% chemically produced polyester fabric. So you can aim to narrow that gap by improving the properties of the polyester yarn. So these are our main objectives that we frameworked. But they are just not your targets. They are an indication to your dedication to environmental stewardship and quality excellence. We are at the forefront of a paradigm shift in the fashion industry. So you can embrace the future where fashion is not just about what we wear, but how we shape the world around us. Now, let's move on to our financial projection. Currently, you can primarily focus on converting 30% of the orders placed for 2024 into sustainable products. You can anticipate a solid 20% year-on-year growth rate, and here we have shown you our forecast for the next 5 years. So the exciting part is that financially this is profitable venture, especially when compared to the chemically produced fabric. So basically, when we talk about the financial aspect, it looks pretty good. Our move towards sustainability, it's not just environmentally friendly, it's also smart move for the bottom line. Now, our business consultant Vakil move your attention to a strategic formulation for the business concept. Over to you, Vakil.
Thanks, Susuri. Following the MMOs, we will be assessing the growth opportunities and strategy formulation. Sustainable apparel manufacturers are more and more inclined towards the sustainable solutions to reduce their carbon footprints and to contribute to the circular economy. So since we will be targeting the American market, it is a must to understand the global sustainable apparel market first. So according to FactMR, following the European apparel market, USA market stands the second biggest market for sustainable apparel in the world. So, which means that organic cotton material is one concern beside the recycled polyester, which is used by the Patagonia. Since the product quality and the price are high, niche market will be our target, where we will face brands such as Patagonia and Lily, Levi's, and Tommy Hilfiger, and Lucky as well. So, as your consultants, we strongly recommend the company to focus on product development strategies in the hands of metrics. Since our product is very new and the market is already has been shared, already in other terms, the market has been already established with other competitors like organic cotton and bamboo fabric manufacturers. So for this strategies to product development, we can see like producing skin friendly polyester for kids, since the kids fabric is still under development due to some allergic concerns to kids' skin. And the brand can create more awareness on sustainable textile products by recycling PET bottles other than organic cotton and fabrics produced by bamboo fabrics. And establishing new repair centers and huge investments on research and development, creating new alliances with other environmental firms to look forward through the disruptors, and creating and having a good customer response mechanism. These are the basic strategies that we would like to suggest to the company to move forward. So following the ends of matrix, the Porter's generic strategy has shown here. And since our end product is unique and its scope aligns with a narrow target, the niche market strategies are recommended. So the board is advised to give attention on focused strategies such as building a brand of loyalty and extensive audience research to thrive in the competition. So later the company may go on with the differentiation strategy, because it is always advisable to not to go along with the focus strategy alone. So through concentrating the attention on a distinctive feature like recycled PET, which is in our case, so the company can become the best in the apparel industry. So having said that, I'm handing this over to Charuk to elaborate the development of the marketing mix.
So thank you, Vakil. Let's move on to the segmentation, targeting, and positioning of this product under the brand of Hugo Boss. Segmentation is about identifying the available market segment of this product. So segments are identified as geographic segmentation, demographic segmentation, psychographic segmentation, and behavioral segmentation. So under geographic segmentation, main regions identified was North America, Europe, and Asia. Demographically, can be served for both male and female, and age below 20 years, 20 to 30 years, and 30 to 40 years. And psychographic segmentation is about identifying what kind of wares should be produced. So based on that, identify can be produced from wear, sportswear, casual wear, and business wear. And behavioral segmentation, it was identified that impulse buyers versus informed shoppers. Out of this segmentation, Hydra Money with the brand under Hugo Boss will focus on North America and for both male and female, considering the age mainly targeted for age between 20 to 30 years, and swimwear for informed buyers. So in identifying the target customers, it was used the following criteria. If the market is measurable, revenues are measurable, if it's substantial, if it's accessible, whether the manufactured product can be differentiated, or whether the plan is actionable. So moving on to the positioning. Positioning is about the point of parity, which meet the clothing standards. So, and point of difference is about considering the ESG factor. So this is very important in this product, as this product considers environmental factor and use raw material which is chemical free. In addition, the forces also were taken into the consideration, which are clarity, compelling, credibility, and contrasting. So with that, I invite Shanaka to continue the presentation.
Thank you, Charuka. Today, I'm excited to present to you an action plan with 4P strategy in marketing management for hegemony apparel industry, focusing on product, price, place, and promotion. Our aim is not only to enhance the company's market presence, but also to contribute significantly to environmental sustainability. Let's begin with the first P, product, which I'm going to emphasize on enhanced product quality and innovation. Our first goal is to elevate the quality of our recycled PET bottle yarn. To achieve this, we will collaborate closely with our research and development teams, identifying and implementing improvements to the properties of our materials. This commitment to quality will set us apart in the market, attracting environmentally conscious consumers and businesses. In addition to quality improvements, we will drive innovation by introducing new product variants and features. By consistently evolving and diversifying our product offerings, we stay ahead of the competition and cater to broader customer base. Marketing material will play a crucial role in highlighting the environmental benefits and qualify improvements, creating a compelling narrative for our customers as well. Moving into the second P, it's the price, which I'm going to emphasize more on competitive pricing and green pricing. Competitive pricing is the key to our success. We will carefully analyze competitors' pricing for similar products, ensuring our pricing strategy is both competitive and profitable. To encourage large orders, we will explore discounts and incentive or bulk purchases, fostering stronger relationships with our clients as well. Moreover, we will implement a green pricing strategy, positioning our recycled PET materials as eco-friendly alternatives. This will justify a premium price based on the sustainability of our products. Our communication will emphasize the positive environmental impact, aligning our pricing strategy with the value of conscious customers. Now let's dive into the third P. It's the place, which I'm going to emphasize on global market expansion and supply chain optimization. To expand our reach, we will identify key overseas markets with high potential for sales and recycled PET materials. Establishing partnerships with distributors or retailers in these markets will ensure widespread availability. Simultaneously, we will optimize our supply chain to reduce lead times and ensure timely delivery to overseas markets, providing a seamless experience for our global customers. Finally, we'll move on to the fourth P, which is going to be promotion. And I'm going to emphasize more on integrated marketing, communication, and educational campaigns. Our promotional efforts will focus on integrated marketing communications, developing a comprehensive campaign that emphasize the quality improvements and environmental benefits of our recycled PET materials. Utilizing online and offline channels, including social media, industry events, and trade shows, will allow us to connect with the diversified audience. In addition, we recognize the importance of education. We will launch campaigns to inform customers and businesses about the significance of using recycled PET materials. By doing so, we not only raise awareness but also position ourselves as the leader in sustainability. In conclusion, our action plan with 4P strategy is a comprehensive approach to elevate hydromoney apparel industry in the market by focusing on product quality, competitive pricing, global expansion, and impact promotion. We aim not only to thrive as a business, but also contribute positive to the environment. Now I'm going to hand over to Amesh to continue with the presentation. Thank you.
So what will be the must-win battles? Must-win battles for the proposed product can be identified in two perspectives. One being the process of recycling PET bottles, and the other side to be the end product side. So what will be the must-win battles for recycling process? One, the properties of yarn. The polyester yarn produced by recycled PET bottles does not have the same characteristics which can be seen in polyester yarn produced by normal chemicals. Therefore, the absorption of certain dyes, colors, and printing on the materials cannot be efficient as chemically produced yarn. Therefore, there is a must-win battle in terms of properties, therefore, for the company. The company is continuously researching towards increasing the rich qualities in recycled yarn. The second one being less PET bottle collection centers. Within Sri Lanka, Eco Spindlers is the only company who is doing PET bottle recycling to take yarn. And they are currently having a lesser number of collection points throughout the island. Further, the company is currently having a limited capacity to produce 960 tons of yarn per annum in Sri Lanka. However, to cater a large number of products through this is having a bottleneck. If there is an over-demand is the case. Lead time of producing yarn in the facilities within Sri Lanka is higher than compared to chemically produced yarn. And third one, lack of awareness of the community. Within Sri Lanka, the awareness of recycling the used PET bottles is at a lesser level. In fact, the knowledge on recycling is at a very lesser level in Sri Lanka. Therefore, the awareness level of the consumers within Sri Lanka can be seen as a must-win battle for the company. And company must be investing heavily on increasing the awareness of the communities within Sri Lanka. And let's go to the end product side. First one, the market competition. Overseas markets that we are trying to get into is saturated with existing product ranges, however, focusing on sustainable products. Due to having many competitors such as Patagonia, Tenfree, Everlane, Eileen Fisher, Cotopaxi, the market competition is very high. Due to that, extensive level of advertising should be seen as a strategy to go beyond this competition. And we see a must-win battle there too. The second one, the health consequences. Baby skins are considered to be very sensitive, and the recycled pet made yarn is having some problems such as low level of moisture wicking, odor retention, and many more, which can be having an impact on the baby skins. Therefore, the company tend to show a must-win battle with regards to health consciousness, and therefore the company is continuously researching on increasing the qualities of the end product. And currently, the company should be focusing on supplying adult apparels only. We can cater to the baby market or babies wear market into the future. And the last point, the making biodegradable products. The products that are manufactured by recycled materials need again to be considered to be into the biodegradation after usage or to recycle these products again. The company is having a must-win battle there in terms of accessing and collecting the used end products again for a recycling process to be sustainable company. And company should be launching this program in the markets where the products are being sold, which is the overseas markets. And therefore, the company should be focusing on resolving and continuing the business partnership with Hugo Boss, which is definitely a profitable initiative as a whole, with winning these battles.
With that, I would like to conclude the presentation. We talk about the goals, because no marketing plan without goals. And then we move your attention on strategies. Our major marketing strategy as per to the ANSOF matrix is product development. And then we talk about all these marketing mix, forces, and measurements and controls. So with that note, I would like to conclude the presentation. Thank you.